Today we're doing something absolutely crazy. We're going to cook an egg using nothing but the scorching Arizona sun. Yep, no stove, no oven, just pure sunlight. Okay, so it took over 2 hours for this egg to cook under the blazing sun. As we all know, climate change is making our summers hotter and hotter, meaning more extreme heat days each year. Welcome to the Sonoran Desert, folks. This desert spans parts of Mexico and the US, and in the summer, it gets over 40 Celsius for several months. So it's so hot that people basically hibernate indoors. You hardly see anyone outside, especially families with kids. The kid within me wanted to be outside having fun, and I thought, why not test out the classic experiment of cooking an egg on the pavement? Sure, you might have seen this before, but we're diving into the science behind it while we wait for our egg to cook. Alright, here's the plan. We need a hot day, a pan, and an egg. Let's start by getting the egg on the pan and finding a sunny, hot place to leave the pan. Of course, the heat won't immediately burn or cook the egg, so we have to wait and wait. While we wait, here is a fun fact. Some of the hottest cities on Earth are Kuwait City, Basra, Avaz, Riyadh, Doha, Phoenix, and Las Vegas. These places can get insanely hot, with some regions being humid and others dry. Did you know that humid areas actually retain heat more than dry areas? This is because water can easily absorb heat and radiates it. For the same reason, it can act like a blanket and prevent areas from cooling much at night. That's why in dry areas you can have a hot day and cool night. In these dry places, you could wear a jacket in the morning, then not needing it around during the midday. Let's get back to the egg. After 1 hour, there's a bit of change, but it's still not ready. But why would an egg cook on the floor on a hot day? Did you know eggs are about 70 to 80% water? This makes them perfect for absorbing heat and cooking in the sun, unlike something like French toast, which is much drier. But what if we tried cooking a cucumber? Well, it would just dry out since the water would evaporate, not cook. In an egg, about 11% is protein, and around 1% is minerals and carbs. When you heat an egg, the proteins unfold and link together, transforming it from liquid to solid. This process is called cross-linking, and it turns the egg from clear to, well, white. Kind of like this egg, after a bit more than 2 hours, it now seems edible. So the next time you're cooking eggs in your kitchen or trying this fun experiment outside, remember the science behind it. It's all about the proteins cross-linking to give you that perfect solid egg. Bon appetit!